So guys, we have 9 plus 2 and inside the parentheses 6 divided by 3 minus 4. So 9 plus 2 equals 11 and 6 divided by 3 and minus 4, right? Now 11 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2 and minus 4. Now here is hidden multiply, so 11 times 2 equals 22 minus 4 and 22 minus 4 equals 18. But this is wrong. Why? Because inside the parentheses first, then multiplication must be done before addition and subtraction. So inside the parentheses first, so 9 plus 2 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2 and minus 4, right? Now here is the multiply first, so 9 plus 2 times 2 equals 4 minus 4. Now addition and subtraction left to right, so 9 plus 4 equals 13, right? So minus 4, right? Now 13 minus 4 equals 9.